How do you spend your days? What do you feel you should be doing differently? Life is all about choices. We make thousands of them every single day. Our minds filter out the details that don't matter according to our subconscious. A script based on our previous experiences and genetic makeup whirs in the background, whether it serves you or not. But if you don't make any changes, how can you expect to change? Potential is a funny thing. Most of us know we have it, but struggle to unlock it. How come? Maybe this is just part of the process. Maybe we must become frustrated enough for our true identity to break through. Because without darkness, there would be no light. In today's world, social media makes it far too easy to feel that we don't have enough, that we aren't doing enough, that we don't have the best relationship, the nicest car, or the highest salary. It's so easy to spend hours focusing on things that may or may not be real. So, what is real? What you have is the people you know, the place you are, the knowledge and skills you possess, your motivation to get to where you want to go, even if you feel lost and don't know where that is just yet. Put one foot in front of the other, keep your chin up, and soldier on. No one said life would be easy, but I don't think anyone can deny that it's beautiful. Don't waste it.